Let's now go through the step-by-step process to fold the MOOEVO cover box. The first step is to open the door using the key. We use the magnets to hold the main door open in this position. Then, unlock the sliding bolt at the bottom of the door and fix it in its resting position. To release the snap button at the top of the door, remember to lift the top part of the mechanism. Now we can fold the connected doors and move them to the outside. To fix them in place, make sure to lift the top of the snap button to engage it. Next, we move to the side of the cart with the handlebar. We will now separate the inner panel. First, release the fastener next to the lock by turning it 90 degrees. Next, repeat the same action with the fastener at the top of the panel. And the one at the bottom, located here. Once this panel is released, we'll undo the fastening of the top lid. We release the two snap fasteners located here. Remember, to release the snap buttons, you need to lift their top mechanism. Once we release this snap fastener at the back, the top lid will be free. Now we can fold the panels. To do it correctly, follow the order shown here in the video. We pull the back of the cover box toward us and fold it like this against the front panel. Now we can release the doors from the outer position. Release the snap button by lifting the top part of the mechanism. Now, move the doors from the outer position and fold them inward until they rest against the other panels. At this point, you can lift the front of the lid, releasing it from the metal flaps. We lower the grouped panels all the way down and let the top lid rest on top of them. And now there's just one last step left. Release the Velcro straps securing the panel to the handlebar and fold it down completely. Once the cover box is completely folded, secure it by fastening the Velcro.